Alright, so loading filament. First step, you do need to trim the end, as usual, at a pretty steep angle. Something like that. It doesn't really matter which way it feeds off. You can do it this way, you can do it overhand, it doesn't really matter. This is your spool holder. You've also got an option to mount this on the side if it works better and where you put the printer. I'm not going to show you that, it's pretty self-explanatory. So, take your filament off and feed it into this tube here. And then push it up through your feed tube. Now, let's see if I can do this in one take. When the filament gets to just outside the tool head, you're going to feel two detents as you load it. The first detent is the filament going through the filament monitor. So you're going to feel some resistance and you need to keep pushing until you feel it come to a hard stop about an inch later. Okay, so I'm going to push it until I feel resistance, and you can see how much is showing, and then I'm going to keep pushing, and then it's fully loaded. So again, there's the first resistance, keep pushing, and it is about an inch, maybe an inch and a half. From this point, all you have to do is hit load filament on the LCD, and the printer will do the rest. Generally, you don't have to hold the filament in place as it loads. There's some logic in the load filament script that will usually, pretty good success rate, detect an issue. If there's an issue with the loading process, it'll pick it up. And so from here, the only thing you've got to do is when you're ready for the filament to load, just click the OK button on the screen and just let it do its thing.